And what I'm going to try to do tonight is tell you about the dark side of love. And then I'm going to tell you about the bright side of love. I like that one better too. That last song, Sleepwalker, is about how sometimes love sucks. Yeah. But if you're lucky, if you have that type of heartache, that's how you learn about the real love. And if you have that in your life, that real love, in order to hang on to it, sometimes you just have to ask the right question.